Good afternoon and welcome to Marriott Waikiki Beach. This beautiful resort is in the island of Oahu, Hawaii, right here on Waikiki Beach. So let's go ahead and head inside and take a look. So we are going to start out this tour in the middle of the open air lobby, right next to the Starbucks. So as we continue on to our left, we're going to see this open air arcade-ish area where it's got pool tables and ping pong tables and air hockey and all that other stuff. There's some nice little sitting area back here, an ABC store. So this is like a convenience store option in Hawaii. Pretty cool. As we work our way out, this is back in like the middle area of the lobby, but this over here is the drop-off area. So this is where the cars will pull up, and concierge is over there and bell services, and then the rest of the lobby is all in here. And as you can see, it's all open air, which is pretty cool for Hawaii stuff. There's a lot of cool art in here, and as we're making our way this way, we're heading towards the front desk. So like I said, on the right hand side of us is where you would drive up, and then you would come your way up the stairs to the check-in area over here. Pretty large check-in area. I like this boat here, like from Moana. That's pretty cool. Like I said, lots of art and stuff around this lobby. As we continue our way, concierge is over here, and then there's a Marriott Vacation Club desk over to the left there. On the right-hand side over here, they have a nice hydration station, so you can come and refill your water bottles and stuff. Really enjoy that. And then as we're making our way this way, there's some bathrooms. Back to the sitting area over here, and then on the right there is towel vending machines. So you just come over here, grab your room key, scan it on here, and then you're going to go ahead and get your towels, so you don't have to bring them up to your room or bring them down from your room. You just grab them from this vending machine, which I thought was pretty cool. And then as we're making our way this way, we are over here in the Paoakalani Tower. So let's go ahead and get into the elevators, and we're going to head all the way up to the 26th floor. Let's head into room 2951. So this is an ocean view in the other tower, the frontmost tower. So on the left, we have our bathroom. Nice mirror here with some lighting, toilet, and then shower in there with soap, conditioner, and body wash. Backing back out towards the door, the closet is over here. So you do have a little place for hanging things if you need an extra closet space, luggage rack, iron, and then that slides as well. Down here you have a fridge and a safe, pretty big safe, little kitchenette area with ice cups and things like that. If you had a connecting room, it could be there. This is a look at, it's a king bedroom. So king bed is here. We already stayed here, that's why the bed's a little messed up. And then we do have a couch over there that does also pull out, and then TV on the wall there. And the best thing about this room is it's got double balconies. So we'll come look at this side first. So 2 chairs with a beautiful view of the Pacific and the ocean. And then coming over this way, you have more of a city view, but also you can still get the ocean, so you can get the people surfing out there. We'll actually pop out really quick. Pop outside super quickly. But yeah, beautiful view of the ocean. Everyone's down there surfing. You got sailboats going by. And then a beautiful view downtown Honolulu, Waikiki Beach. Yeah, I will say, this reminds me very much of Miami. All last night there's a club down there. It was playing music till like 10 o'clock. The whole room was shaking. Also down here we can see like the pool and things like that. But yeah, this is a look of room 2951 on the 29th floor here at the Marriott Resort and Spa on Waikiki Beach. This is a very nice room to get upgraded to, so thank you, Marriott. I much appreciate it. But yeah, there you go. That concludes our room tour. After the room tour, we came back downstairs to do some more exploring. And on the right is going to be a cultural center. It looks like they do lessons. And on the left is a ukulele store. How awesome is that? Look at all these different ukuleles. Or ukuleles. That's so cool. Look at all the different ones. Wow. They also do have an Enterprise on property before you head to the Keolina Ali Tower. So you can do your rental car stuff here. Continuing on, we hit the Makua Hawaii Beach Wear store. It's like bathing suits and stuff. Another hydration station. Looks like a tour guides area. And then looks like another lobby area over here. A Marriott Vacation Club area over here. Elevators for this towel, another towel vending machine. And then I think this is another ABC store that we saw in the other lobby. Oh, it's the Kiki Sandbar. So turning this way is the Waikiki Sandbar, where you can rent boogie boards and beach chairs. Now we'll head this way. There's construction going on over here, but there is the other tower over here. There's a Sunshine Gifts, an art store, and an ABC store over here. So you have like these type stores. This is like a spinny art store. Lots of different things. And then let's see what's over here. Well, this one looks closed. Continue. This is another like beachwear store in here. Well, that leads us to the street. This is like another store over here. And then there's the ABC store this way. Lots of shops in this resort, which is nice. And another ABC store back over this way. Cool. Cool. I think it's a pretty good look of this. Popped up to the 3rd floor to see what's going on over here. This is the family pool on this side, facing the ocean. We turn back around this way. This is where the luau is. So the luau stage is over there. So this is what we saw from our room last night. And then if we continue that way, we'll be to the adult pool. So we'll head over there next. But first, we're just gonna loop around this way. It looks like there's some cabanas over here that you can rent. We'll go check out the rest of this pool down here. Looks like we've hit this little restaurant area over here. And it looks like you could also rent this little fire pit area for guests 21 and older. Look out over here, but this is like part of the Queen's Break restaurant over here. You overlook the water. This is just a look at Waikiki Beach. Reminds me very much of Miami. Yeah, there you go. Let's head over to the adult pool. Here's a better look at the luau area. See all the tables and chairs, and then there is the stage right up there. This is where they do the luau in here. And now we've hit the Queen's Break pool bar and the adults only pool here on the 3rd floor. So smaller pool, but much quieter over here. Yeah, there you go. Also a fitness center in here. I don't know if you guys can really see it. There you go. And there's also then some ballrooms over here. But I love these towel bending machines. They're pretty cool. That's the only way you get towels on the resort. Came back up to the room because it is sunset, so I wanted to make sure I give you guys a good view of what it looks like out on the balcony at night, and just the water, the sunset. It's so gorgeous up here. Also, you can hear the music again, which is just funny. The really cool thing about this room in particular is we get a bird's eye view of the luau. So that's pretty cool. And with that, I've realized that I never filmed an outro for this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick view at the Marriott at Waikiki Beach. And I will leave you all with a fire dancer. So enjoy the rest of this clip. Thanks so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, tell your friends, all that good stuff. And we'll see you in the next one.